Hi everyone. So, for tonight, we're going to talk about mass sterilization along developing cities. To begin with this presentation, I would like to say a question that I want you to keep in mind. So, in 6 years, how many babies do you think a female dog plus her generations can reproduce? Okay, so now with this question done, let's begin. So, mass sterilization, what is it? Mass sterilization is a term mainly used for cats and dogs, right? This consists of an operation where the reproductive organs of the animals are taken away to stop the overpopulation of the animals. So now the real number is this: one dog plus her generations in 6 years can reproduce over 67,000 babies. This number is really important because if we help with the mass sterilization techniques, we can stop this, and it's a real thing that we can prevent. So the uncontrolled number of growth can generate real problems like negative impacts of the public health of these developing cities. So the big problem here, what is it? The culture from some developing countries shows a lack of experience with these domestic animals, unleashing the abandonment of the pets. Because an animal without education is very prone to generate a lot of problems in the house, right? Such action creates an uncontrolled number of abandonment in the streets, and usually these animals are not sterilized, letting them to reproduce. So, with this, we make a survey to see the real problem in the country. So, we took 11 people from cities around the country and to see the knowledge of the people and to take a real picture of the problem. So, 84% of the people said that an economic incapacity it's an excuse where they think the abandonment of the pets is usually done. 61% of them think 10 to 20,000 are the number of babies that a female dog can reproduce in 6 years. That's really bad because the real number is 3 to 4 times this number. But not all of this is really bad. 84% of the people agree with this technique. More than half of them have helped an animal to get an sterilization, even if it's not their own pet. So, what does the survey tell us? That the people really know, but they are not well informed. So, here it goes the solution. Local vets plus the organizations need to get together and bring some solutions. They have to start massive sterilizations where the animals stop the reproduction. So here we have a real thing. The professionals had to get together with the government too to start educating the people from the developing countries, because a study shows that when something is said by a professional, it is more important for the people than when they read it from somewhere, right? So what are the benefits from this solution? They prevent the suffer, the malnutrition that the animals can have when they are in the streets, and the diseases that they can have, the abuses from the people. When there are too many of these animals, the people start to get annoyed from the animals, and they start to abusing of them. And the most important, if that this problem represents the 99% of the rabies cases in the world. So what is going to give this solution? A better quality of life. So we don't have to worry about this technique if it's done by a professional. If it's done by a professional, everything is going to be fine. The professionals use the best materials and the best techniques that they learned when they were studying. In Chile, they succeed with this campaign, right? So they succeed so well that the people started to adopt and to rescue the animals. And the streets are very well in these moments. Thank you very much and see you soon.